Don't mess with me. No ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. Welcome back. Welcome back, my lovely subscribers and viewers. It's your girl Tanika, and today I'm back with another video. So as you can see from the title section, I'll be translating standard English words and phrases to Jamaican Creole, or Patois as we all know it in Jamaica. So before I get into the translating, I would like to give a big shout out to the S&S twins, the life of Cassie and Amelia, and I would also like to shout out TK Squad. They're always in the comment sections of the videos as I post them, so they are my notification squad. So a big shout out to you guys, and just continue to support me. And I would also like to say thank you to all of my supporters and all of my subscribers and viewers, and please subscribe if you haven't as yet. You see that red button in the right corner under the video? Just click that and make it turn gray, and when it turns gray, just click the bell so that you can get all notifications when I post. So without further ado, let's get into the translating. So I have a list of words in my composition book and phrases, so just stay tuned and watch as I translate the words and phrases. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Come make we go beach. I think that is what some of us would say. Well, the different parishes, they normally speak different ways, so that is how I would say it. Please let me know how you would translate the words. I'm outside your gate. Me out of your gate. Yeah, girl, me out of your gate. Give me a stop, driver, I'm coming off. One stop, driver, let me out. Give me a stop, driver, I'm coming off. One stop, driver, me I come off. She didn't come home Saturday. She never come home Saturday. Girl, why you never come home Saturday? Where you there? You need to make me know. I will be right back. Me soon come back. Me soon forward. To eat. To eat. To nyam. Well done. Well done. How would I say that in Patois? Well done. Yeah, go on, man. That is what I would say. I don't know what you would say. Excellent. Some people that say excellent. You know, then some town people would that's like they pronounce the E as H. Excellent. I don't know any other way to translate excellent to Jamaican Creole. What's up? Wagwan. Yeah. Everything is good. Everything good. Everything mucho. See you later. Later. Later me see you. If you have not liked this video as yet, please click that like button. Make sure say blue. Okay? Thank you. I understand. So that is the next one. I understand. Me understand over there. Over there, so over yonder. What are you up to? What you up to? What you do? I don't care. Me no care. Me no care. I don't give a damn. Jealous. You're so bad mind. Yes. We Jamaican people, instead of saying jealous, we say bad mind. Or we say ready eye. What else? Step up your game. Step up your game. Come better. I have just a few left. The party was good. The party did shot. The party did shell. The party did turn up. Don't mess with me. No ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. Don't get me out. Don't play with me. Friend. Friend. Virgin. Wagwan virgin. What's wrong with your virgin? Virgin. Party. What else? What else do we call a friend in Jamaica? I don't know. Sistrin. 3 more left, guys. 3 more left. She is crying. No, it's 2. It's 2. Sorry about that. I have 2 more left. She is crying really hard though. She a cry hardy. She a cry hardy. I was waiting for you by the supermarket for a very long time. Me did a wait pan you down at the supermarket, you know. You know how long me a wait pan you down at the supermarket? Supermarket. So guys, this is the end of my translating English words and phrases to Jamaican Creole. If you want to see me translating Jamaican Creole word and phrases to standard English, please give this video 100 likes. Just 100 likes, people, and we will do our next video. 100. It don't hard for you just thumbs up the video as you watch it. And also, I am on the road to 1K, so please, as I said before, please click that subscribe button, please, and share my videos with your friends, your family friend, your brother, your cousin. Share it with everybody where you can share with. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye. I have one more thing to tell you now. You see, I have one couples channel, me and my boyfriend. Want to run, go over there and subscribe, because we are subscriber to everybody. We have one channel. The name is Tanika and Ramai. I will put the link in the description, and I will also put a screenshot somewhere on the screen, either here or here. So you will see a screenshot or a picture of our channel. Just go over there, subscribe to it, and we will subscribe back to you. Get us to 100 subscribers and we will post our first official video. And you know see a big bang and come over this. So once you know see the two of us, so just stay tuned and subscribe to us.